Let us discuss the topic of the mole today. This topic is important as it helps us understand the relationship between the mole, mass, and the number of particles in a compound or element. We use counting units to easily represent the quantity of materials. Just as we denote 1 dozen for 12 eggs, it can be 1 dozen for 12 bananas or 12 candies. Similarly, a mole is used to count entities on a microscopic level like atoms, molecules, ions, particles, etc. In chemistry, mole is simply defined as the quantity of a substance which contains the same number of particles. Look at the illustration below to understand how the mole expresses quantity and unit based on number. 1 mole of table salt sodium chloride is equal to 6.02 times 10 raised to 23 sodium chloride ion pair. 1 mole of gold is equal to 6.02 times 10 raised to 23 gold atoms. 1 mole of sugar is equal to 6.02 times 10 raised to 23 sugar molecules. 1 mole of water is equal to 6.02 times 10 raised to 23 water molecules. In counting the number of atoms, we use a constant number called Avogadro's number, which is equivalent to a mole. Understanding the basic concept of a mole is the key in relating mass, mole, and number of particles in elements, compounds, and chemical reactions. This chemical calculation used in chemistry is known as stoichiometry. 1 mole is the amount of substance that contains as many particles as there are present in 12 grams of carbon-12 atom. The actual number of atoms in 12 grams of carbon-12 isotope is equal to 6.02 times 10 raised to 23 particles called Avogadro's number in honor of the Italian scientist Amedeo Avogadro. Now, let me see if you have learned from this topic. On a 1/2 crosswise sheet of paper, please answer the following questions.